Welcome to the ladder helmet installation video. First, take your ladder helmet and cam lock straps out of the package. Flip the ladder helmet upside down. Take the first cam lock strap and feed it through one of the slots closest to the V-groove side. Make sure that the cam lock lever is oriented to the outside. Repeat the process for the second strap. Next, take the helmet with the straps and orient it on the ladder, aligning the V-groove section. Make sure to slide the cam locks between the V-groove and the top ladder rung. Then feed the other end of the strap through the top of the helmet, making sure that they are over the top rung of the ladder. After, feed the end of the straps through the cam locks. This will secure the helmet to the ladder. Use your thumbs to gently snug the straps. Be careful not to over-tighten them, otherwise product damage could result. Finally, release tension on the straps by gently pressing on the cam lock levers.